Okay, sorry for the delay and all. It's just like I just noticed that I'm using the free software of Screencastic, and therefore I'm limited to a certain amount of time. Okay, so let's go back to the actual quizzes. So in here, as I was saying, it's just that respondent can see missed questions. So in this case, like maybe you don't want to have that, okay? And then you can see the correct answers. Maybe you don't want to have that because this will give them those two will give them the question and then also the answer that what it should be. So in this case, if the students gets like you want to protect your quizzes and you want to protect your exams or whatever they were doing, uncheck mark those and just see the point values. Therefore, they just get that. And there's always a debate on too, like if you want to share the points right away or the comments before and all of this. So therefore, I'll leave that option to you. So as soon as I'm going to press on to save, that will save that. Now, what is this done so far is that if I go back to I'll go back to my quiz. So in this case, because it's a quiz, if I take this question, okay, and I go to the bottom, now I see answer key. If you click onto this, now make sure that you put the amount of points that you want. So probably at first, I would highly recommend to you to probably, I don't know what you can do, but just like have a sticky note to say, don't forget this, because I did. That's the reason why I'm saying that. Remind yourself, put the actual marks first. So I said this would be 2 points, okay? And after that, you can actually just say select the actual option, which is the answer key. And then you just keep on going and you do that for the entire quiz, okay? And as simply as that's what it is. So if you go and I'll say, like, I'm going to go back to as my students, did I submit? Oh, no, you have to share that, okay? So now that you're done, you get your quiz, you get your marks, you get your response, it's all set and everything is done, okay? Then you can share that. Now, they are going to update that, okay? So definitely soon they will be updating some parts. What I mean by that, I'll tell you later on if we see this. So this is the review. How do you share this? You go into the URL and you can copy this link, okay, into your Google Classroom. My Google Classroom, where are you now? Okay, I'm going to go to Google Classroom right away in this guy. Click on this guy. Okay, so in this case, like let's say I want to create the assignment. Okay, go to the plus sign, create an assignment, and in here this will be like quiz. Let's say one, whatever you want to put a title, instruction if you want to, the due date if you want to put the due date. You can actually put whatever, and also like the time. As you can see, there's a time option, which is pretty cool. You have this part over here, which is the Google Drive. Click onto this, and it shows like recent. You have this part. Now, I will try it right live right now if they change it, and I'll do it twice. Okay, so I'll say add, and this is a Google form. Okay, I'm going to assign this right now. And this is what I can see. So if I go to a student account, so I'm going to go to my student account, I'll refresh my account, and I get this. I will click onto that. Oh, perfect. So they did update it. What I was worried about is just that before, when you did that, it would actually give them the quiz to edit. It didn't give them the preview. So therefore, like now, they are signed in and they can actually just go and start. So which is like perfect update. And you can also like, by the way, you could have pressed into open and we'll open this over here and then actually go in there, put that in, open. When you submit, it will submit to the Google Sheet, okay? And then the students needs to go back and say mark as done for their Google Classroom, and also to tell you, so if I go back to my assignment over here, to tell you if it's done or not done. So this one, I think it's a heavy, and that's why like there's two parts. It's pretty heavy into the actual quizzes, but as soon as you get a hang of it and practice that, it's really awesome. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and there will be probably more videos onto the marking, the quizzes, as they progress. So for the next part, it will be the add-ons. So already I did check onto that, the add-ons. The export import, I might do that later on to the Google, like, and geez, I keep forgetting class gradebook, okay, to do the gradebook part, okay. But I want to show you the share to Google Classroom. That will be the next, and this is a very short video, okay. So hopefully that helps.